Hey guys, here again with our update on science. Um, so we're gonna go over our Illuminate quiz for the day, and today we have a few questions. Question number one: biologists working in a dry, bare Arizona desert have found life just below the surface. In many areas, small clumps of sand are held together by strands of tiny bacteria. After heavy rains, the bacteria germinate and grow. They form mats that trap sand during the wind and rain of the storm season. The biologists claim that the bacteria are beneficial to the ecosystem. Which argument best support their claim? So it is A. The bacteria slow the rate of soil erosion. So we know that there are certain bacteria and there are certain microorganisms that are helpful to our environment. And the bacteria actually helps minimize the soil erosion that is caused by wind and water. Question two. Which of these microorganisms are harmful? Is it A, yeast, B, bacteria in yogurt, or C, fruit mold? Well, we know that yeast is used to make bread and some other products. And we know that bacteria is in yogurt and that actually helps your body digest food. The only one that is a harmful microorganism is fruit mold. That would make you sick. Question three. Red tide is helpful to fish. Well, I've allowed you to use the internet to look up certain things and research certain items. And if you don't know what red tide is, it is a harmful microorganism that is in the ocean that actually grows every now and again. So red tide would not be beneficial to fish. In fact, when red tide happens, a lot of fish die. You can look this up online. Question four. How do beneficial microorganisms help in the digestive process? A, it breaks down the food. B, it allows food to be absorbed into the bloodstream. Or C, both A and B. Well, we know that bacteria helps break down certain foods in your body, but also it allows food to be absorbed into the bloodstream. So when the food is broke down, the body can actually absorb the food and all the nutrients. Question five. Harmful microorganisms can be controlled by, guys, we know, especially in today's time, that washing your hands with water and soap is super important. Washing your hands with just water is not as beneficial. In fact, remember when we did the experiment earlier in the year with water and soap and hand sanitizer and all that kind of stuff. So we definitely know that washing your hands with soap and water is the most beneficial. Question six. Most microorganisms cannot be seen without a telescope, B, periscope, or C, microscope. Guys, we all know that microscope is how we see microorganisms. Remember, micro means small, and scope is how we view things, so microscope. All right, guys, if you have any questions, of course, you can ask me on our Google Hangouts. Also, you can ask me on Google Classroom. Have a great day.